at home, there's a challenge of issues related to the police. The Commissioner of the Police in KwaZulu-Natal, General Umkhwanazi, yesterday addressed the media and South Africans about the division and alleged corruption within the police service, and he made damning allegations against the hierarchy of police, including the Minister of Police. Were you aware that he was going to do that? But secondly, South Africans are saying action now, not tomorrow.
Well, I became aware of what President Trump tweeted, and Sophie?
Mr. President?
All right.
No, I'm fine, Mr. President. Are you fine?
I'm fine. You've been at this for years now.
Yes, and you've been wasting time.
Yes. Well, now you keep powering ahead.